sharper.
A revolution in learning. Thoracic vertebrae. The 12 thoracic vertebrae are characteristic by their articulation with ribs. The typical thoracic vertebrae, which are T2 through 8. From a superior view, it have a heart-shaped vertebral body, a vertebral foramen circular and small, and a pair of transverse processes that are long and extend posterolaterally. The spinous process of a typical thoracic vertebra is long and slopes posterior-inferiorly, overlapping with the inferior vertebra. The facets of the superior articular processes are nearly vertical and face posteriorly and slightly laterally, while the facets of the inferior articular processes are also nearly vertical but face anteriorly and slightly medially. The 2 superior costal facets and 2 inferior costal facets, which articulate with the heads of the ribs. There is also 1 costal facet on the anterior side of each of the transverse processes called the transverse costal facet, which articulates with the tubercle of the ribs. Atypical thoracic vertebrae, which are T1, T9, T10 and T11. T1 vertebrae. T1 is similar to the C7 vertebra. Its spinous process is long horizontal similar to that of C7. The superior costal facet of T1 is a complete costal facet, and not a demifacet when articulating with the first rib. Inferior costal facet is a demifacet for the upper half of the head of the second rib. Next, T9. It has only superior costal facet. T10 vertebra. It resembles typical thoracic vertebra. It has single complete costal facet. It articulate with its own ribs, but there is no inferior costal facets. Next, T11 vertebra. It has complete costal facet. It articulate only with the heads of its own ribs, and its transverse process does not have articular facet. And finally, T12 vertebra. It has complete superior costal facet on its pedicle. It is characteristic by the presence of horizontal spine. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If this video is good, like, comment and share. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel.